Part cooling fan replacement guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the toolhead front cover by pinching near the bottom and lifting up and out. Then remove the silicone sock from the hot end. Press the filament cutter lever to cut any filament that may be in the hot end. Open the hot end latch and remove the hot end. Use your hand or prying tool to remove the toolhead rear housing as shown. Disconnect the part cooling fan cable. Remove the 4 screws securing the extruder unit. Pull the extruder unit away from the toolhead frame slightly, but then leave it in place. Use a screwdriver to slide the right side wire cover backwards to remove it. Remove the 3 screws shown. Then remove the part cooling fan by carefully removing its cable from the toolhead. Align the new part cooling fan to its place under the toolhead. Secure the fan with the 3 screws shown. Route its cable as shown through the toolhead. Align the extruder unit and secure it with its 4 screws. Carefully align and connect the part cooling fan cable. Slide the right side wire cover from the back to reinstall it. Replace the toolhead rear housing by aligning the top and rotating it down until it locks into place. Install the hot end, the silicone sock, and the front cover. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.